Alaskan fishing crews and Badlands bison ranchers gave us feedback, and we listened up. With a more streamlined fit that keeps materials clear of your work, the hose-down slicker jacket is made with lightweight, 100% recycled nylon ripstop fabric that provides industrial strength abrasion resistance and protection from UV rays, fishhooks, and salt corrosion. It's built to outlast many seasons of getting it done in the harshest, muckiest, saltiest conditions and clean up easy at the end of your shift. A gender-inclusive fit allows you to dial in for the job at hand, while the fixed hood has a hook and loop closure that eliminates the hazard of loose ends getting caught up in machinery or fishing lines. A center front zipper with a snap closure seals out mud and moisture and is easy to operate while wearing gloves. The adjustable cuffs utilize sleek, stretchy TPU nylon and a hook and loop D-ring strap that creates a watertight seal. The drop tail hem provides extra backside coverage, even when kneeling on deck. The hose-down slicker jacket is your armor for the wettest work, on earth and at sea. Go ahead and give it hell, you hoser.